First I am installing Laravel and Tailwind CSS. Opening the Tailwind CSS official website and searching Laravel for Tailwind CSS installation. There are two options. First, using Vite, and second, using Laravel Mix. I chose first, using Vite, because Laravel 10's latest version comes with a Vite processor. By copying this code, pasting it into terminal, typing Laravel, and executing it atomically. Create a directory named Laravel and install Laravel in the Laravel directory. cd into the Laravel directory. Then we have to install Tailwind CSS. By copying this code, pasting it into terminal, and executing it, it installs Tailwind CSS in the Laravel process. The next step is to publish the Tailwind configuration file. Copying this code, pasting it into terminal, and executing. By executing this command, create the file tailwind.config.js in the Laravel directory. The next step is to configure template paths. Open the tailwind.config.js file. Copy this code. Paste it in the Tailwind config.js content section, and save the file. The next step is to add the Tailwind directives to CSS. Copying this code, go to the resources directory, the CSS directory, and open file name app. Paste it in, and save the file. To start the build process, copy this code, and execute. The next step is to start the server for Laravel. Going to the Laravel directory, type php artisan serve, execute, and start the server for Laravel. By copying the server's running path and pasting it into the browser, the Laravel 10 welcome page is opened. The next step is loading scripts and styles. To do that, we have to check out the Laravel 10 Vite section on the Laravel official page. Copying this Vite directive, pasting it into the page head section, and removing this style. Also, remove unwanted HTML content. Check if it works fine. Add a new div tag with text, Laravel. Reload browser. Laravel 10 installation successful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.